Well, hello there in YouTube land and welcome back to the channel. And today, my wife asked me to go and get some groceries so we can do dinner, so we can cook dinner. And she asked me not to forget the tartar sauce because the kids don't like fish without tartar sauce. So, right in front of me is Kroger and I can go right away. So that made me think, let's make a video explaining if this bike can replace your car. But instead of just going straight to the Kroger because it's right quick, let's take a detour and find some twisties first. Well, it's been a while since I took that detour, but finally found some twisties. Now, can this bike replace your car? Of course it can, but can your car do this? Oh, bumpy, stop. Yeah, so this bike can give you 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Can your car do that? Well, not for $9,000, it can't. So, this bike, not only can it replace your car, it is awesome on the twisties. So yeah, it is worth the detour. Now, how do I go about not forgetting what my wife asked me? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is sing a song. Tartar sauce, don't forget the tartar sauce. Tartar sauce. Oh yeah, here comes the tartar sauce. Oh man, this road is awesome. I've never been here before, and I like it. I love it. It's time we start going back. What else can we talk about this bike? Well, yeah, it doesn't have a lot of carriage capacity, but you can use your tail bag like I do, and you can also put your stuff in the mirrors. So yeah, this bike, I love it. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and remember, if you like the video, to give it a thumbs up. Oh, wait a minute. To give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it with all your friends. If you don't like the videos, well, you know what to do. Share it with all your enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ooh, 25-mile-per-hour one. I guess we have to slow down. Oh yeah, I remember this one. We've been here before. This is where the Jeep and the dude on the Ducati went off that day.
Where is the tartar sauce?
They were out. They apologized. They were cool about it.
They were out?